Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being here today. Welcome to ASI, room 218. Today, we are going to be completing step 7 of the research process. When you visit the research project folder, you will find the step 7 folder at the very bottom of the page, entitled Title Page / Introduction. When you click that folder, you're going to find a link entitled Title Page and Introduction Template. When you click that link, it's going to bring you to a template page as you see here. However, this template page is a Google Doc, and it must be copied in order to complete this assignment. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to go to File, scroll down to Make a Copy, and now I'm going to title it My Name, and then write down Research Paper, and hit OK. Now a new folder has opened up, a new file, and now we can adjust and edit this file as we see fit. So I'm going to adjust the title. Let's say I worked on Brazil. Put Brazil there. Scroll down, and I'm going to change the name on here to Mr. Spencer, and the date today is 2/22/2018. I'm going to scroll down, and you'll see here that there's some information on an introduction. I'd like you to read this paragraph on the most important parts of an introduction, and then read the example that you see below. Your second paragraph is about background information, giving us broad overview of your country of choice. There's an example of that as well on the same page. Now when you're ready to get started, you can come down to the bottom of the page and you can title Introduction and then begin writing your introductory paragraph. If you finish that early and it's been revised by myself, then you can move on to writing and typing your background paragraph. You want to make sure to go back to the Step 7 folder, and there will be an assignment element to this folder here where you will submit your completed introductory paragraph. That way I can give you feedback on your performance. Thank you so very much for joining me today here at ASI in room 218, Mr. Spencer's Social Studies classroom, and on one of the best YouTube channels out there in American history. Thank you so much.